Hi everyone, in today's video I want to talk about exercise 10D, question 31. And afterwards, I want to give you some more exercise about chapter 10.5 before your section quiz. Okay, so let's go. So in this question, left hand side, we have sine theta minus 270 degree plus cosine square 270 degree minus theta times cosine 180 degree minus theta. Okay, so I think most of you are confused about sine theta minus 270 degree. So okay, so I highlight it with red color, and then I will do it on the right hand side. Okay, so how can we transform this? So there are two steps. The first step, we can take out the negative from the bracket, so that we have 270 degree minus theta. Okay, and then as we know that because sine negative x equals to negative sine x, and therefore we will have negative sine 270 degree minus theta. Okay, then it's simply that we can do the transformation using the previous knowledge, okay, which is negative and then negative cosine theta, and finally we have cosine theta. Okay, so we finished the first part. So we can transform the sine theta minus 270 degree into cosine theta. Okay, next, so I want to give you a quick revision about how to transform cosine square 270 degree minus theta. Okay, so I highlight it with blue color, and then I will do it here. Okay, so we have cosine 270 degree minus theta. So first, please help me to think about how can we transform this. Okay, and what is the answer? Okay, and the answer is negative sine theta. So I think most of you can do it. Okay, afterwards, we put the square on both sides. Okay, but remember that we are not just giving the square to the sine theta. Instead, we are giving the square to all the things on the right hand side, including the negative sign. And finally, we will have negative times negative, it will become positive, and then sine square theta. And this is our result. Okay, so therefore we will have plus sine square theta. And finally, cosine 180 degree minus theta, it will become negative cosine theta. And finally, we have cosine theta minus sine square theta cosine theta. Then as you can see, there are two cosine theta here. Then we can take out the common factor cosine theta, so that we have 1 minus sine square theta. And finally, it will become cosine theta times cosine square theta. Finally, it will become cosine cube theta. Okay, we finished the left hand side. And as you can see, right hand side, there is no transformation, which is equals to cosine cube theta. Okay, so therefore, left hand side are equals to right hand side. Then we can draw the conclusion, because left hand side equals to right hand side. So we can rewrite the identity. Okay, and this is the result, and this is the answer and the steps for this question. Okay, so for the remaining time before the section quiz, you can finish the classwork and homework for today, which is revision exercise 10, question 19, 20, and 40 AB. Okay,